Hey guys, it's me, Jordan. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to speed up your audio track in Sony Vegas from NTSC to PAL or PAL to NTSC. I'm also going to be showing you how to speed it up through record times like 45 to 78 or 33 to 45, etc. Now, I always use accuracy number 3. I don't know why, I just use it. I don't know. I like to recommend that. So, for if you want to convert NTSC speed to PAL speed, you want to pitch it up by 1 semitone and pitch it down by 27.6 cents. But if you want to convert it from but if you want to convert it from PAL to NTSC, you want to pitch it down by 1 semitone and pitch it up by 27.6 cents. Now, if you have a 33 record and you want to speed it up to 45, you want to pitch it up by 5 semitones and then pitch it up by 19.6 cents. But if you want to pitch your 33 record to 78, you want to pitch it up by 14 semitones and pitch it up again by 71.8 cents. If you have a 45 record and you want to speed it down to, slow it down to 33 speed, you'll want to pitch it down by 5 semitones and by 19.6 cents. If you want to speed it up to 78, you'll want to pitch it up by 9 semitones and by 52.3 cents. Now, if you have a 78 record and you want to slow it down to 33 speed, you want to pitch it down by 14 semitones and 71.8 cents. And last one. So if you have if you want to slow it down to 45 speed from a 78 record, you want to pitch it down by 9 semitones and 52.3 cents. Alright, so that concludes my tutorial. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye. OBS is awesome.